Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 reboots automatically. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type gp update /force. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Create new key named as Windows UDPAT. Create new key named as AU. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as no auto reboot with logged on user. Change value data to 1. Fourth method is type sysdm.cpl in Windows search bar, click sysdm.cpl. Click Advanced, click Settings under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck Automatically Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.